Hello students, welcome in my channel. Students, in my last video I finished scene 1 and scene 2 of the lesson My Elder Brother. Today we are going to start scene 3 given at page number 68. Okay, hope you must have understood and you have revised scene 1 and scene 2 of my previous video. If not, please watch it again and again and try to understand. Okay, let us see what happens in scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Let me tell you what happened in scene 3. Just explain you. The results were declared and it so happened that Munna passed. ऐसा हुआ कि मुन्ना फिर पास हो गया and भैया failed again, फिर फेल हो गया. भैया was really upset, disturbed. Naturally, अभी तो आजकल आप लोग फेल नहीं होते हैं. But in those days, children, the students had a fear whether they will pass or fail in the same class. If you fail, you have to repeat in the same class. Bhaiya was so really upset, disturbed. Munna was also sad, seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler. He becomes a bit gentler, gentlest. और gentle हो गया, soft हो गया, softer. Bhaiya became a bit softer with Munna, and on the other hand Munna became naughtier. Naughtiest. थोड़ा और naughty हो गया. Previously also he used to study less, but he was smart. That's why he passed every year. He took part in other activities also. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Munna talking aloud. I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Munna is very happy because he has passed. He has been promoted to the new class. I am lucky. मैं पास हो गया हूँ. I can pass easily. I did not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites, but I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kite. But at the same time, Munna is younger one, therefore he is afraid of Bhaiya. Both are living in the same hostel room. One day, a kite is flying. Students, we come to the new page number 68. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. डाउनवर्ड्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. डाउन माने नीचे, डाउनवर्ड्स इसका अपोजिट होगा अपवर्ड्स. डाउनवर्ड्स अपवर्ड्स, नीचे की तरफ. अपवर्ड्स मीन्स ऊपर की तरफ. मुन्ना स्टार्ट्स रनिंग इन ऑर्डर टू ग्रैब इट, कैच इट. इन ऑर्डर टू कैच इट, ग्रैब मीन्स कैच. सडनली ही कम्स फेस टू फेस विद भैया. ही कम्स फेस टू फेस. फेस टू फेस मीन्स जस्ट आमने सामने. ऑन वन हैंड भैया, अदर हैंड मुन्ना. Bhaiya catching hold of Munna's hand. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Bhaiya is angry. Aren't you ashamed? Aren't. Look at the word. These are two words combined into one. Short form. Are not. A-R-E-N-O-T. Aren't. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are now studying in a lower class? Not studying in a lower class. अब तुमको मालूम नहीं तुम ऊपर क्लास में आ गए हो. Scolding. Bhaiya is a bit tough. If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are. भैया 5 साल बड़ा है. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really भैया? Is that true? क्या ये सही है क्या? Students, we come to the new page now. Page number 70. Bhaiya, yes. There are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Ma here stands for grandma, grandmother. Baba, Baba आप बोलते हैं ना अपने grandfather को, Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? क्या होगा यदि मैं बीमार पड़ जाता हूँ तो? मुन्ना, I don't know. भैया, I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. भैया, aha, I had expected this answer. Expected, hoped. मैंने सोचा था कि यही आंसर हो तुम दोगे. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. बाबा को पता चल जाएगा क्या करना चाहिए. They have more experience than us. According to Bhaiya, experience is very important. And that experience comes with the age. Experience comes with the age. So according to him, one who is elder in age, one who has completed more number of years, he has more experience of doing things. Munna, with tears in his eyes. There are tears in Munna's eyes. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Hugs means clasp hold of. उसको गले लगा लेता है. With love, lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Responsibility. Look at the word, how to pronounce. Responsibility. Responsibility. Bhaiya says that, Munna, you are my responsibility. हमारी जिम्मेदारी है तुम्हें देखना. I am responsible to you. If you become good, it's all right. If you become bad, it is my responsibility that how you become bad. Munna, I love you, Bhaiya. Student, this is the end of the story. नाटक, ड्रामा जो है, प्ले आपके लिए, but it is not sufficient just to watch it only one time. You need to watch it repeatedly. After that, there are new words. Foundation, I have already explained to you. Solid base, foundation means solid base. Schedule, already given. Timetable, essay, composition on any subject. Idling, without any purpose. Lazy. Mastered, gained expertise, skilled. Master हो जाना किसी चीज़ को. Students, on new page there are questions meant for comprehension, whether you have understood the drama or not, play or not. There are questions. I will tell you the answers orally, and through my WhatsApp I shall send you answers that you will note down in your notebook. Okay? Alright, let us come to question number 1. What are the things that Munna like to do? मुन्ना को क्या क्या करना पसंद था? It was already given on page number. You have to read and then you will be able to find out. The answer is given on page number 67. Okay? Answer is given on page number 67. What Munna like to do? What did Bhaiya do all day? Bhaiya studied all day. He did not go to play at all. He studied all day, used to write poem or an exercise repeatedly. Third one, why was Munna not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him? Very simple. Munna was not happy because there was no time to play. How do you think Munna felt when his brother was so strict with him? Why was Bhaiya so strict with him? There are two questions given. How do you think Munna felt when his brother was so strict? मुन्ना ने क्या फील किया? मुन्ना फेल्ट वेरी अनहैप्पी, ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. एंड व्हाई वाज भैया सो स्ट्रिक्ट विथ हिम? बिकॉज मुन्ना वाज हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Because Munna was his responsibility. Question 5. Whose character do you like more? Munna or Bhaiya? Why? Students, this is up to you. You have to decide whose character you like. Whether you like Munna or you like Bhaiya in the play. Okay? Write the answer yourself. This will be your homework for you. Students, now you are required to watch my video again and again and like it. In case any problem, you can send me your problem, or you can talk to me freely without any hesitation on my personal phone, so that I can solve your problem. Okay children, thanks, bye.